Hey everyone, this is Larry from wstrades.com. I got quite a few requests to do a technical analysis update on ticker symbol PIXY, which is Shiftpixy Inc. So here we go. Yesterday had a crazy move up, and today having a crazy move down, over almost 14% at this point, down, and it's exactly what I expected. Doing my research for the first video I did on them, I don't even know what the hell this company does anymore. It started off as some sort of kind of middleman to quote unquote gig economy, kind of bridging the gap between people that wanted to hire people, freelancers, sorry, and the freelancers. And now, from what I can tell, they make fake food for the metaverse, and now they're getting into NFTs. I don't get it, but just looking at the charts, I still think they're going to be in a downtrend. I think that I just don't get this company. One thing is they are allegedly having earnings today, but every time that they do have earnings, they delay it, and it's happened the last couple times, I believe, and that just causes the stock price to go down. You know, they say they're going to have earnings and then delay it for 2 months, and then obviously haven't had good earnings off of their delays because it's just been in this constant downtrend. But why I think it's going to continue this downtrend is this trend line you can see here. This is the daily chart, but I'm going to pull up the weekly, and you can see this trend line. They come up and hit it, die off, come up and hit it, die off. They actually broke through what acted like support at one point, and then, you know, kept on dying off. And now yesterday we had this big run up to the trend line, and now we're selling off of it. So my price target for them is, I don't know, within 2 weeks I'd say they're going to be, well, let me pull up the daily because I kind of have a little bit of support at one point. So if they trade off of this trend line, then you'll be in this kind of super wide wedge. You can see if we go from this point to this point, and I don't know, I got a price target of like 80 cents within 2 weeks. And, you know, that's what I said last time, because I kind of live at around 80 cents. And they hit that target during or for the time frame that I said they would hit it. It's just this thing's making these insane moves. And everyone's jumping on the bandwagon because it's high on, I think it's FinViz's short squeeze candidates. It's just, in my opinion, not a stable way to trade, because just because it's on a short squeeze list and, you know, high short volume doesn't mean it's going to quote unquote squeeze and moon. And, you know, you hear talk of synthetic stock and all this stuff. I mean, look at AMC. That was supposed to hit like $5 trillion months ago, and, you know, hasn't. So for me, I don't trade stocks just because they are highly shorted. Most of the time stocks are highly shorted because they're crap. So I don't know, my opinion, like I say, price target maybe 80 cents within 2 weeks. Again, I just don't trust this company. Look into them. If you know something they do besides make fake food for the metaverse, leave it in the comments. Again, I don't recommend trading stocks just because they're highly shorted, because most of the time that means that, you know, they're a horrible company. But if you want to trade off of this trends, then let me go back to the weekly. I'll show you where the candles are to connect. Well, it's kind of obvious, the candles to connect. These ones with massive wicks. So if you just draw a line from the wick on the candle on 8/17/20 and touch it to the candle on 4/26/21, just do a left extension, and you'll see that it's been trading off of that line for quite a while, and it probably will. The only way I see this thing reversing and actually making a sustainable move up is if they break through that trend line, if they actually do come out with their earnings today or very, very soon, and they have some insane news. You know, they're selling NFTs now for whatever reason, so maybe they sold $1 trillion worth of NFTs or something, and, you know, it breaks above this trend line, and then, you know, we can see a sustainable move higher. So anyways, that's my 2 cents. If you guys have anything else or anything that you're seeing, please leave it in the comments, and have a good one.